Confidence is one of the most misunderstood traits that everybody wants, but few have. This is because it is not exactly something that can be gained in any meaningful way. It has to be original and authentic. A fake confident person will soon be caught out. Step 1. Get the facts. Confidence is not about anything that a person says or does. It is more about what a person embodies and stands for. The external actions and appearances are secondary. So if you want to build up your confidence for the long term, then you need to start doing some serious inner work. The mistake that most people make is that they try to mimic the appearance of confidence. Their spine might be straight and they might have white teeth and a new suit, but these are just external circumstances. These are really the results of confidence. You can't get confidence just by copying what confidence looks like. Developing real confidence. If you want to develop long-term, unshakable confidence, then you need to work intensively on self-development.